Hey G12, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a hands-free leash that also comes with a little pouch. If you guys can see it from this band right here. And for this product, actually comes in many different sizes and many different colors as well. So they have a small option, and they also have a medium option, and they also have a large option as well. So depending on how big or how small your dog is, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. And like I mentioned, it actually comes in different colors as well. They have this available in like black, blue, emerald green, and the list goes on. The one that we got right here is an emerald green color. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is basically everything that's included inside. So right here, when you see it, this is basically the leash option. So basically one side you guys want to attach it onto your pouch, and the other side you want to attach it onto your dog's collar. And the way how to design this part right here is actually stretchable. You can see. Same thing for this side as well. So that way actually allows your pet to actually freely run if they want to a little bit. And also for this part here and this part as well, they do give you guys a little handle option if you guys need to actually lift this up or carry this part right here to get good grip from your dogs if you guys put this on. And the mention for this bungee rope that we have right here is actually much more higher quality than your typical bungee ropes. So these should be really durable when you guys use this option right here. And then right here, you can see we do have the buckle option right here. And it's really cool how to give you guys these two options right here. So you can definitely use this side, or you can use this side right here to attach it onto the leash. And then for the buckle option right here, they do have an unlock and lock button right here, which is pretty nice as well. So not only can you just unlock it right here, but you guys have to unlock it right here before you guys can do that. So that's a pretty good safety feature right here. So that way your pet will never run away. You can see, pretty strong and durable. But you definitely want to make sure you guys lock it before you guys use it. So that way you can not open up this part right here. And definitely the overall quality of the belt right here feels like a high quality material. You can see. And then last but not least, we have the actual pouch right here. So this is what it looks like in the front, and here's what it looks like in the back. So basically want to slide the belt inside right here. And then right here we do have a zipper compartment. So when you guys open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. If you can see, definitely very spacious. And inside the pouch right here, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but they do have a divider option. So you definitely put stuff on here, and you can put stuff on here to actually separate it. So maybe you guys want to put your phone on one side, and then the other side you guys want to put like your poop bags for your dogs. You can definitely do that on here. And also on the side right here, if you can see, they do have a slot for you guys to pull out like your headphones or your charging cable or whatever, which is pretty nice as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this all together to show you guys how to actually put together, and also show you guys what it actually looks like first. So you basically want to unbuckle it right here first. And you basically want to just slide this inside right here. Once you guys slide it through, buckle back up together, and then lock it up. And also if you guys need to adjust the size on the belt right here, they do have the option right here to actually adjust it to make it looser or tighter. And basically what you want to do next is attach this part right here. So you basically want to just clip this on right here, or if you guys want to clip it on right here, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And this is basically what the overall part looks like once you guys put it on. Let me actually put this around my waist to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so we got the pouch right here. Let me actually put it on and show you guys how it works. So first what I'm going to do is clip this on, and then lock it in. And then you've got a pouch right here where you put stuff inside. And the other side right here, you basically want to leash it onto your dog's collar. So in this case, if I put it right here. Alright, so see how I can drag it like this and bring them along. Or if I really want to, I don't need to hold it. I can do it hands-free as well. So just like this. So if a pet ends up like running away, you can definitely use this option right here to pull them back like this. And that way it won't hurt them as well, since there is a stretchable option right here, or that bungee option right here. But definitely really cool how they have that like hands-free option on here. So if they try to run away, they can't actually run away because it's attached right here, and you don't have to use your hands. So it's one less thing to worry about, which is pretty awesome. You definitely have a little pocket right here to store stuff if you guys want to as well. So I want to pull it, and go like that, and they know the signal of what to do, if you can see. So they go that way, and pull this way. So this won't hurt them, and it won't hurt you as well when you guys actually use it. So you see the product definitely does work. And this basically works for big dogs and small dogs. Alright, so we got the leash on for the small dog. You guys see how well it works. It's so easy to actually use it, and it won't actually hurt them when you guys pull as well. Unless you guys pull really, really hard, there shouldn't be any issues when you guys actually use it. You can see how well it works, and it's actually really, really cute when you guys use it as well. And taking it off is really easy. All you need to do is unbuckle like this, and it's all set. So now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are a pet owner, and if you guys have like a big pet or small pet, definitely getting one of these right here is super convenient. So that way you get a hands-free experience, and that way it's actually multitask if you guys want to as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.